Hey, Kermit. Yes. Want to watch some of my VHS tapes? No. Okay. Hey, Bluey. What's up, Nick? Don't say the N-word, please. That's racist because of the BLM protest. Oh yeah, right. Who's this Froggo? I'm Kermit the Frog. Nice to meet you. Want to shake hands? No. Because of the whole coronavirus thing. Oh yeah, right. Do you want to have fun? Yeah. The heck was that? Yeah. Wait, I think it has the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Okay, must be a way to stop this. Okay? Yeah, right. Wait a second. Oh ho 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 ho. Okay, I tried doing splashing water, jump scare, and then eating sugar. That didn't work. I'm gonna take a nap. Okay, I'm about to put this tape in. Put it in the VHS tape. We're gonna bring him, Kermit. That's the way to stop the hiccups. Yeah. You guys set them? Oh, nothing. Yeah, nothing. Wait, is that my favorite show? Yeah, he's gonna stop the hiccups.
Thanksgiving, a Charlie Brown Christmas. Happy New Year, Charlie Brown. Be my Valentine, Charlie Brown.
Is that what I think it is? Don't come after me. Wait a minute. Did you do this, Kermit and SpongeBob? Yes. I think you broke my leg. Oh, sorry. Ow! Don't break my arm. Wait a minute. My hiccups are gone. I guess. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. You're gonna have to pay for our broken bones.
But Charlie Brown.
Correct.
Thanksgiving. What's that?